Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
What is that? That is leftover lasagna from one I made. If you want to learn how to make that, I have videos on that. Those are 3 eggs beaten and resting for 5 minutes. And that's some mozzarella cheese and some butter. Mike Foster here. How you doing today? It's a leftover lasagna omelet. What? Sounds crazy. All you have to do is learn how to make that lasagna. I got a video right there, one of these places here. Check out the card. I'll put it in there. I've got a few lasagna recipes. And then when you have extra, make this omelet. Let's get that lasagna ready to cook up and make this omelet. Here's the lasagna. So we're going to take a nice chunk out, about like this. Let's put this on this plate. And then we're just going to chop this lasagna up into nice bits that we're going to heat up and put in an omelet. Meet you at the stove. This is medium, might be a little warm, so you can hear a little snap and sizzle. There you go. Little butter. Get that melted. Heat it up. It's already cooked. Oh, that's going to be crazy. And then this is going to go into your omelet. So this will be a few minutes. All right, this is done. I'm going to take this out of the pan and then clean this pan out and make the omelet. All right, this is a clean pan. It's on medium. Let's put a little butter down. Add just a little olive oil so it won't stick. Make sure the whole pan is coated. There you go. Now there's your 3 eggs beaten, rested for 5 minutes. Fill it up. There we go, perfect. Let those go a couple minutes. Little pepper. Why? Because pepper's good. Now let's see how we're doing. Still a little wet. This is mozzarella. I know this piece right here is still a little wet. That has to just cook a little more. Now we're gonna put this leftover, this is the star of the show. Spread it around good, like that. Oh yeah, kind of ridiculous. Let's see how ridiculous. Put it on low. Let's flip it. Ooh, there's your omelet. I told you it would come out good. Give that 30 seconds to melt the cheese. Meet you at the counter. There's the close-up. Maybe just to let you know it's the real thing, we're gonna bust it open. Look at that. That is the lasagna omelet. Big bite coming up. There we go again. That is the omelet. I've made many omelet recipes, nothing like this. This is a leftover lasagna omelet. Let's just see if it tastes good. Let's get a big bite. Here we go. Now I gotta tell you, it tastes like lasagna. Lasagna. You're gonna get the protein of 3 eggs, which is a good way to start your day. You're gonna get the deliciousness of your omelet, which is probably not the best way to start the day. But this tastes pretty good. Now, if I open up a restaurant, would I serve it? Who knows? I'm gonna say it's the Baby Babu. Not the biggest one. For more videos like this, check out Live Life 365 at all my socials. Tell people about it. Till next time. Peace.
Live life 365.
Meet you at the stove. No. Let's get that lasagna ready. Is that still on? Francis. Some people say, oh, you should put it in the oven. Yeah, okay. Make your video and show me how it's done, buddy. You know, those are the stupid people. These are things I know. But thanks for the comments and suggestions. Okay, that's a little off center. It's not good. He screwed that one up. Here's a noise. That was a good bite. Here's a piece of drop. Craziest one ever. Baba.